हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल शिक्षा सखा। आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ क्लास 8 इंग्लिश की टेक्स्ट बुक हनी ड्यू का लेसन फर्स्ट। लेसन का नाम है द बेस्ट क्रिसमस प्रेजेंट इन द वर्ल्ड। इस वीडियो में हम लेसन की समरी, टेक्सचुअल क्वेश्चंस और ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस करेंगे। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं और अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। मैंने अपने चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट में सब्जेक्ट वाइज लिस्ट डाली हुई है। आप जिस भी लेसन को देखना चाहते हैं मेरे चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट में जाके उसे देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए पाठ की शुरुआत करते हैं। सबसे पहले पाठ की समरी करेंगे। The story begins with the author buying a cheap roll-top table from a junk shop. Though it was in bad condition, the author thought that he would restore it on Christmas Eve. He started to repair it. The table was of the 19th century and was made of oak. The drawers were badly damaged due to fire and water. When the author pulled out the last drawer, he found a secret space there. In that secret space was a small tin box. On top of that tin box, it was written, Jim's last letter, received January 25th, 1915, to be buried with me when the time comes. Inside the tin box was an envelope with the address written on it, Miss Jim McPherson, 12 Copper Beeches, Birdport. The date on the envelope was December 26, 1914. The author began to read the letter. It was written by Jim McPherson, a captain of the English Army, to his wife Connie. He had narrated a beautiful incident that took place on the battlefield on Christmas Day. It was Christmas Day, and the English and Germans were at war. Both the armies were in their respective trenches. All of a sudden, he saw someone waving a white flag from the German side. He heard German soldiers wishing them Merry Christmas. Some of the English soldiers also wished them the same. Surprisingly, they saw German soldiers moving towards them, which alarmed Captain McPherson. He thought it could be a trick, but the German soldiers bought canned meat and wine. अब हम करते हैं इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। क्वेश्चन 1, व्हाट डिड द ऑथर फाइंड इन अ जंक शॉप? 2, व्हाट डिड ही फाइंड इन अ सीक्रेट ड्रॉर? हु डू यू थिंक हैड पुट इट इन देयर? इसका आंसर है फर्स्ट, द ऑथर फाउंड अ रोल टॉप डेस्क फॉर सेल इन अ जंक शॉप. It was made of oak wood, but it was in a very bad condition. Second, in the secret drawer of the desk, the author found a small tin box. It had a letter in it. I think the owner of the roll top desk might have put it there. Question 1, who had written the letter, to whom, and when? Question 2, why was the letter written? What was the wonderful thing that had happened? Question 3, what jobs did Hans Wolf and Jim McPherson have when they were not soldiers? Fourth, had Hans Wolf ever been a Dorset? Why did he say he knew it? Fifth, do you think Jim McPherson came back from the war? How do you know this? फर्स्ट का आंसर है जॉन मैकफर्सन, अ कैप्टन इन द ब्रिटिश आर्मी, हैड रिटन द लेटर dated December 26, 1914 to his wife Connie. Second, the letter described a wonderful event. The two armies, the British and the German, fighting against each other, celebrate Christmas together. Third, before joining the army, Hans played the cello in the orchestra and Jim was a teacher. Fourth, no, Hans had never been to Dorset. He had only read about Dorset in Hardy's novel Far from the Madding Crowd. Fifth, no, Jim McPherson never came back home from the war. Perhaps, therefore, his wife Connie had preserved his letters. Question first, why did the author go to Bridport? Second, how old was Mrs. McPherson now? Where was she? इसका आंसर है फर्स्ट, द ऑथर वेंट टू ब्रिडपोर्ट टू मीट मिसेज जिम मैकफरसन एंड डिलीवर टू हर जिम्स लेटर. सेकेंड, मैकफरसन वॉज 101 years old. She was in a nursing home. Question first, who did Connie McPherson think her visitor was? Second, which sentence in the text shows that the visitor did not try to hide his identity? First, Connie thought that the visitor was her own husband, Jim McPherson. Second, that sentence is, you told me you would come home by Christmas, dearest, she said, and here you are, the best Christmas present in the world. Come closer, Jim, dear, sit down. Question first, for how long do you think Connie had kept Jim's letter? Give reasons for your answer. इसका आंसर है Connie had kept Jim's last letter till January 25th, 1915. The letter was dated December 26, 1914. Question 2, why do you think the desk had been sold and when? इसका आंसर है the desk must have been sold when Connie's house had burnt. The table had been damaged by fire as well as water. Question 3, why do Jim and Hans think that games or sports are good ways to resolving conflicts? Do you agree? इसका आंसर है both Jim and Hans were soldiers. Both were warm-hearted. They had seen the suffering of war, so it was natural for them to hate war. They favored a peaceful solution to settle disputes. Games or sports, they said, were good ways of resolving conflicts. I also quite agree with them. Question 4, do you think the soldiers of the two armies are like each other or different from each other? Find evidence from the story to support your answer. इसका आंसर है all human beings are alike in many ways. They love peace and hate war. They want to live together. Example from the story, then they were calling out to us from across no man's land, Happy Christmas, Tommy, Happy Christmas, when we had got. Question 5th, mention the various ways in which the British and the German soldiers become friends and find things in common at Christmas. इसका आंसर है the British and the German soldiers belonged to different camps. They were enemies in wartime, but after all they were human beings and therefore they had similar feelings. They shared the festive spirit of the Christmas. They got overheated and played games, feasted and drank like good friends. Both hated war. Both were anxious to go back to their families at the end of war. Question 6th. What is Connie's Christmas present? Why is it the best Christmas present in the world? इसका आंसर है Connie thought that Jim had come back from the war. She mistook the author for Jim. She had been waiting for her husband Jim. So the coming home of Jim was the best Christmas present in the world for her. Question 7. Do you think the title of the story is suitable for it? Can you think of any other title? इसका आंसर है Decidedly the title of the story is most suitable for the old Connie. No other present could have been such joy as the coming home of Jim, her husband. Her perception might be wrong, but she got the greatest happiness of her life. Since the story revolves around Christmas, the alternate title of the story could be War and Peace or Christmas Gift, but neither can be matched to the present title. अब करते हैं हम इसके ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस. क्वेश्चन 1. वेयर वॉज द लेटर फाउंड? ऑप्शन ए इन द एनवेलप, ऑप्शन बी इन द टिन बॉक्स, ऑप्शन सी इन द बॉटल, ऑप्शन डी इन द किचन. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी इन द टिन बॉक्स. क्वेश्चन 3. हु प्रमोटेड द बॉयज टू सिंग? ऑप्शन ए ब्रिटेन सोल्जर्स, ऑप्शन बी हंगेरियन सोल्जर्स, ऑप्शन सी जर्मन सोल्जर्स, ऑप्शन डी टर्किश सोल्जर्स. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी जर्मन सोल्जर्स. Question 4. Who wrote the letter to whom? Option A. Connie to Hans. Option B. Jim to Connie. Option C. Johnny to Kim. Option D. Jim to Hans. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन B. Jim to Connie. Question 5. According to Jim, a Christmas morning should be option A. Sunny and warming. Option B. Rainy. Option C. Cold and frosty. Option D. Luxurious and comfortable. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन C. Cold and frosty. Question 6. The Christmas celebrations were initiated by option A. the British, option B. the Germans, option C. both A and B, option D. the Hungarians. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन B. the Germans. Question 7. What did the author take out from the drawer? Option A. a wood box, option B. a plastic box, option C. a small black tin box, option D. a bottle. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन C. a small black tin box. Question 8. What job did Jim McPherson have when he is not soldier? Option A. School teacher, option B. banker, option C. manager, option D. professor. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन A. school teacher. Question 9. Why did the author went to Bridport? Option A. to give back Mrs. McPherson letter. Option B. to give back Mrs. McPherson her bottle. Option C. to give back Hans Wolf the letter. Option D. to give back Mrs. McPherson her magazine. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन A. to give back Mrs. McPherson her letter. Question 10. Why did the author not buy the roll top desk from the junk shop? Option A. it was very dusty. Option B. it was very expensive. Option C. it was looking very bad. Option D. none of the above. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन B. it was very expensive. Question 11. Who was Hans Wolf? Option A. the chef of Turkish army. Option B. the chef of British army. Option C. the chef of German army. Option D. the chef of Hungarian army. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन C. the chef of German army. Question 12. On which dates does Connie receive Jim's letter? Is option A. November 4, 1916. Option B. December 16, 1914. Option C. December 6, 1916. Option D. December 30, 1946. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी दिसंबर 16, 1914. तो यहाँ पे हमारी वीडियो ख़त्म होती है. अगली वीडियो में मैं आपको फर्स्ट पोएम द आंट एंड द क्रिकेट करवाऊँगी. तो ये वीडियो आपको कैसी लगी मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं. वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. थैंक यू.